a very nice Hebrew song, a Passover song. It's called Dayenu. And I'm going to try to wear a traditional Passover hat during this time. This is called Dayenu. And it means it would have been enough. Everybody has their... That's very good. Thank you. Now, first we're going to do verse 1. If you look at your pages, you'll see it. Ilu hotzi anu mi Mitzrayim, hotzi anu mi Mitzrayim, Dayenu. Now, the refrain that made this song so popular is the word Dayenu. After every verse, we sing Dayenu. And I have a guess that you'll learn this one quickly. Dayenu, 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 Dayenu. Okay. Can I hear you do that part? Die. Let me hear you without me. Now we're going to start from the beginning. Verse 1, and then Dayenu. Verse 2, and then Dayenu. Verse 3, and then Dayenu. And then we're going to do it in English. Imagine. Are you ready? Ilu hotzi anu mi Mitzrayim, hotzi anu mi Mitzrayim, Dayenu. Notan lanu et hashaba, notan lanu et hashaba, Dayenu, 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 Dayenu. Ilu notan lanu et haTorah, notan lanu et haTorah, Dayenu, 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 Dayenu. Now we're going to do it in English. And I have one thing that I would like. If there are any volunteers who really feel brave that they could sing that part, Dayenu, with me up here to help lead everybody else. Could I get a volunteer? Somebody? Anyone? Come on up. Just come on up. Anybody who feels brave that they already know that part. And if you want to sing into the microphone, you can do that. Wow. Okay, we're going to take it a little bit slower, though. We're going to start with the English. Everybody see that on there? Oh, I want to tell you one more thing before we do that. There's something that's like pretending. We want to feel the message of Passover. So, we pretend, or what's another word for pretend, when we think of something in our minds? Imagine, very good. Where'd you get that from? Disney World? We imagine that we were there in Egypt, so we can feel that, what it was like. We imagine that we got free from being in Egypt. We imagine we were there when God gave the Ten Commandments and talked about the Sabbath, the day of rest. And we imagine that we were there when God gave the Torah, which is all the things, the rules about how to behave and be a good person, so that we can feel that too. Are we ready now? Had he led us out of Egypt, only led us out of Egypt. Had he led us out of Egypt, Dayenu. The Sabbath, had he given us the Sabbath,